Soft and red color lips are something that everyone wants to have. Shiny and smooth lips not only improves appearance but also is a sign that your lips are healthy. Nowadays, many people have dark lips due to excessive exposure to direct sunlight, high usage of cosmetics, excessive smoking, chewing tobacco, and high caffeine intake. Fortunately, there are many natural ways to lighten dark lips which doesn't require buying expensive products or treatments. Let us know how to prepare chemical-free, inexpensive natural lip balm to get glossy lips. Take 2 peeled beetroots and cut them into small pieces. Beetroot effectively works to clear the pigmentation and lighten dark lips. Add cut beetroot pieces into jar and grind them well without adding water. After grinding, you will find thick solid paste. Now extract the beetroot juice by squeezing the pulp. Beetroot protects the lips from sun damage and makes lips smooth and soft. Beetroots are rich in vitamin C, manganese, potassium and iron, which are vital for skin health. Add beetroot juice to pan and heat it on low flame by stirring occasionally. Heat it till you find bubbles where beetroot juice starts evaporating. After some time, you will observe thick dark color paste left over in pan on evaporation of beetroot juice. Now serve this thick paste which was left over in the pan to a bowl. Toss 1 teaspoon of ghee to it. Next, 1 teaspoon of Vaseline and mix it well. Ghee and Vaseline are excellent remedies for dry lips. They restore moisture and makes lips soft and smooth. Now take the content into a container and keep it in refrigerator for minimum 4 to 5 hours. Once lip balm becomes solid, it's ready for use. Apply this lip balm onto your lips regularly to get soft and shiny lips naturally. You can use this lip balm for 30 days by storing in refrigerator. Thanks for watching video. If you like this, please share and subscribe to my channel.